Good afternoon, welcome to my channel. Today is the 12th of April 2022 and we are going to begin on our new crystal project, the birdhouse door decoration. I'm trying to position myself in a way that you will be able to see. I already put down a few of the diamonds. I told you that I was not going to take out from the bag. Come on. Because they were too big. And I saw no reason to take them out. Look at this sparkle. Look at the glitter and shine. These are the petals, and we have to do both sides, see? Of course you don't, because I was turning it over all wrong. 16 is this special shaped diamond. I will put them out for you so you can see the beauty. Actually, this I can put in a jar, I think. Look at this. This is 13. This is 16. 16 are those. No, they're not. Yes, they are. I will check in a minute. 16, and let's see, what is 13? 13 is this beautiful color. Look at these. This is 14. This is the 14th over here. You already put those there. So this is 16, and I need a jar. Moment. Since this is not in a Ziploc bag, I'm going to put it in here. And this is 16. Let me label it. There we go. The ones in the Ziploc bag, I'm not going to put out because, like I said, I don't see a need for it to be put out. Okay, now let's see. Sooner or later, we got settled over here. Now let me see if my diamond painting pen will pick this up. If not, I may have to use a different kind of diamond painting tool, which I took out the last time, but I think we put it away. Yep. Hang in there. We have everything in this bazaar. Let me tell you. Everything except what I'm looking for. And I know we just used that special diamond painting pen because we we're doing crystal diamond. I have about 20 of these bags. And what do you think? What I'm looking for is, there's more. I am getting a bit upset because I know somebody who was playing with my storage bag. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay. The very simple reason that this has an end, that will pick up these diamonds just fine. I am not getting enough light. Well, you know, the usual thing. The sun comes and goes. I think, oh, it's such a nice sunny day. Let's do some diamond painting. And the sun goes away. And then I close the drapes. And then the sun comes out. And then I open the drapes. And the sun goes away. So I was like, forget it. Okay, now you don't want to fit in there, you know. I would like you to go in there. Yeah, with this tape, you really can't push it down because it's just a little bit soft. So you sort of have to aim. Isn't that absolutely scrumptious? I didn't realize we're going to have so many special shaped diamonds in it. I'm really happy about it. Yeah, we do have to aim a bit more carefully. Unusual heavy traffic today. I noticed it yesterday also. Are you upside down? Or are you just being crooked over there? Okay. And then we need a 15 in the middle of it. And the 15 is this pretty yellow. Turn over, please. Why don't you want to? Oh, now I'm not going to play around with you. Turn over. Thank you. This one, right there in the middle of the flower. And here's a 1. What is number 1? And why would it be there? It's a golden one, a little golden one. So we are doing number 16 right there. I don't know, the camera doesn't want to adjust. To me, looks a little blurry. Yeah, I noticed that yesterday too, and then it turned adjusted itself, but I don't appreciate it being blurry. What is that? Are you in there? Okay. How do you like this special shaped crystals? How do you like me sticking to it? As I usually do. I mean, I doubt if you can see the true sparkle. These are truly diamonds. I did not find the clear egg acrylic or whatever you want to call it that I wanted to use to make a pattern with our leftover diamonds. I did not see any in the store. Actually, the store was rather empty. I was surprised, considering that this is only Tuesday. I'm not going to play with the little beads over here. I'm going to get have you seen my tweezers? Nope. Well, I have found it. There's more than one way to place a diamond. That doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. No, I want you over here. No, come back here. Good. So this is 16, this is 13 over there. I wonder if this works. I don't think so. I'm not good with picking up diamonds with tweezers. I have seen diamond painters on YouTube, and they're doing such a good job with tweezers. I'm like, wow, that's what I call talent. Well, we're playing around with tweezers. I don't think this is such a good idea. I give up. We need another 15. Yeah. Okay, I just saw right there in the middle of those blue flowers, and right there. So the middle of the big flowers has this yellow little pearl in it. Okay. I would prefer if you not dump all over the place. No. I really don't want you to dump. Yeah, I see more. I will fix it. Make sure it goes in the middle. That's where we want it to go. Okay. And there was another one crooked right here. And this one. Okay, I think they're in their place. So let me just go with this placer. It seems to work better for me than the tweezers. Well, it looks a bit crooked, doesn't it? Let's see if we proceed along. Okay, there's a smaller flower and there's a bigger flower. The bigger flower has a different middle than the big blue ones. It needs a number 1. Now which way does this go? I think we're gonna have to squeeze that there. Rather push it jumping out of the tray, you know. Okay, gonna go like that. But I can't see the pointed end of it at the moment. So I gather this is how they're supposed to fit because that's a little flower. So we will just point the pointed end toward the middle. Yeah. And this one points that way. Okay? And then this one goes like that. So that one doesn't have a middle. This one has a number 1 in the middle. Okay, let's see what that is. One of those little gold ones. There. Flip over. Thank you. And you go. You go where? Where do you go? Right there. I knew I saw one right there somewhere. I have no idea what that noise is behind me. I have the windows closed, although it's a beautiful day. But there's such noise out there that it's unbelievable. Absolutely gorgeous. I really want to make, I told you that before, a clock. What I saw, but I don't know which company. We don't have the one here in Hungary. Not yet, let me put it this way. Although they have expanded their inventory, quite a lot of fun stuff that I do want to order for you guys to see. So far I have not been asked to review it, but no problem, I will do it anyway. A review means they will send me something in order for me to make it and then give my opinion as to how I liked it, any constructive criticism do I have with it, you know, things like that. And they know that if they give me something to review, I will give a very honest review as far as what my opinion is. They do appreciate constructive criticism. So far, I have not seen too many problems except for the, the big winter project that we had. I do have it up on the wall. I did not record it yet because the frame did not come yet. So I'm having issues just like everybody else as far as getting my orders delivered. But it's not bad considering, things that are going on. This is Eastern Europe, as I keep on telling you, and things happen in their own sweet time here in Eastern Europe. But we're used to that, and we do not make an issue out of it. It will get here. There. I will show you a close-up of this, of course. Actually, we have two projects underneath here. But this is the last crystal project for Easter. Now, what is this? I think this didn't turn out good. Very little rubbish, which is a great improvement. When I first started diamond painting, there was quite a bit of rubbish, and sometimes we had dirty oily drills that we actually had to wash. I have not seen any of that. I have not seen any dirt in the bags. We had a few static cling, but we took care of that. So that was 16, and as I told you, 13 is the big ones. Which are in the bag. We didn't take them out. This is the 13. And we have 113 down here. Okay. They are, do you call this oval shape? What shape would you call this? I don't know. Boat shape. Yeah, that sounds good. Boat shape sounds good. I definitely like boats and ships. Anything with water, you know? Absolutely beautiful. Very happy with it. Whatever made that noise went away. Yep, I spoke too soon. They came back. Just think the amount of work it must go into making these beautiful diamond paintings, creating and planning them, setting them up on a computer, etc. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. So this was 13. And what would we have here? This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't want you to faint. The green. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I spoke too soon. So these are the leaves for these beautiful flowers. The green. You see, even these smaller ones are more sparkly because they are crystal than the ones we usually do, although those are very shiny also. But this really brings out the beauty of it. Absolutely lovely. And it's going to go on the front door. And can you imagine when the sun shines on all these beautiful crystals? Oh, that's going to be just wonderful. And I will try to get it on video. Although in the hall, there's not very much sunshine. Although we do have a window by the staircase. Did my 3-kilometer walk today. Tired out. But it was a beautiful weather. The wind stopped. We had a crazy wind yesterday. It's about 80 degrees centigrade, 18, which is warm for this country. Tomorrow we should reach around 20, which is almost summer temperature. As I said before, this is Eastern Europe. Although we had no snow, and the agriculture is missing the water from the melted snow. The second year in a row we had no snow in this city. Of course there was snow in Hungary, and of course we have small mountains, not too big. Sort of little bumps, There was snow in there, but not in this city. And we did not have enough rain either. So they might have to resort to watering, irrigating, which costs a lot of money because it is done with drinking water. Very few places where they still have wells. Most of them had to be closed. Where there are wells, they are not drinking water. I think the high nitrate concentration or something like that. I know for the children you have to buy special water. They're not allowed to drink that water from the well. But for adults, it shouldn't cause any particular problems. I drank wild water, and I drank all the water wherever I traveled to. Nothing ever happened to me. Excuse me. I don't have my tea here. I should know by now, right? Every time I sit down, I start choking and coughing and all the wonderful yucky stuff. Okay, now what the earth is that? I mean, that's some heavy machinery going around out there. Yeah, I'm in the main street. And, you know, spring things to do in the field. And we're about 1 kilometer away from the wheat fields. And there's sunflower fields. And what else is out there? That's about all, I think. Mostly wheat and a few sunflowers that I've seen because we do walk around that way, go around, and that's how we get to the 3 kilometers. When I go all the way around, I get to 5 kilometers. And that's about all I am allowed to do. I'm required to do 3. That means when I go for my yearly checkup to make sure I'm in shape, I'm required to do 3 kilometers. But I prefer to do 5, especially the weather's nice. I really enjoy it, you know. Look at how things grow in the fields, and look at the sky, the beautiful shapes of the clouds. And now they put a bench in front of the field, halfway mark. I'm sure they didn't put it over there for me, you know. But I have a little sit down there. You know. While I'm at it, I might as well take a rest and listen to the sound of nature. You know, that's when the tractors and all of that stuff is not around, and all you can listen to is, you know, the sounds of the motors going. But it's a very nice nice walk. You would think I get a suntan from being out in the fresh whatever. No, I just get red. Very red. And then the next day I'm white. I would love to have a little bit of tan. Look a lot healthier. Okay, that's right there. And that's the leaves. I will show you a close-up of this beauty. Look at that. Sparkle. Wow. How do you like that? Isn't this adorable over here? Looks like a Hungarian motif, but I doubt if it is. Could be German. Very much European. This is from the company over here in Hungary, so very much Eastern European. Thank you very much for spending time with me this afternoon. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Please hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Mwah.